Today we're going to be going over how to deposit money on your TD Ameritrade app. I'm going to pull it up right over here so that you guys can follow along with me in real time. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move over from our dashboard over to the option that says More. You'll be able to see it at the bottom right corner. It's the one with the three little dots. So once we click that guy, we're going to be seeing a few different options here. And to deposit funding into this, what we're going to want to say is transfer funds. So we're going to go ahead and click transfer funds. And we'll see here that we've got our account, different information there. What we're going to hit is new transfer. And from this, you'll be able to see that we are able to deposit money into the TD Ameritrade app through one of our accounts that we have set up in the system already. So what we're going to do is on the From section, we are going to go ahead and click our account to our account on TD Ameritrade. And then when it says amount, you can enter any amount that you would like. So we're, for this test, going to say $10. And then below that, you'll see frequency. From here, you can say one time, weekly, every other week, monthly, quarterly, every 6 months. This gives you the option, if you want to be able to set these account transfers automatically. For this instance, we're going to say one time, and then you'll see the date that it's going to be posted is today. So we're going to review our transfer, and once we see all the information is correct, which you should always double check your information, we're going to hit Submit Deposit. And then from here, because TD Ameritrade cares about security, we're going to have to go ahead and enter our password and hit Enter. So that is how you go ahead and deposit money into your TD Ameritrade account. From here, I would love if you would click this video where we'll go over how to actually use that deposit to buy some stocks. Thank you so much. This is Eddie, and I can't wait to see you next time.